Still that guy just climbing in. Oh, that's neat. I don't hit the speed yet.
Here.
Not yet. Look at your phone. I don't know how good your phone is. I can see the propellers still. Once you can't see them in your thing, I'm sure it'll be game on.
It's game on now.
I would say door shut.
Still, oh, my blade looks like red. Looks like it's just, one blade at a time.
Okay. I mean, yeah, it should be getting close.
Yeah, everybody's going it home.
Yeah, they
Sorry,
are
guys. I'm jumping out.
I'm still sitting, but you're good.
I wouldn't. I mean, we're gonna get ready to book up with it, man.
I would say, yeah, because I want to stay stationary and stay stable.
I'm only doing it to let them go by.
Nope, you're good. Smart man. And whoever may be watching the video, sorry for the shitty quality.
Get ready, they're gonna be taking off
Get
here
right
soon.
on left. Here we go.
Yep, I'm waiting. I knew they were gonna move too. That's why I'm waiting for it. Now, hopefully, they're flying out that way.
Yeah, I would say it's going to be Buzzkill City. They immediately bank left.
Here we go. I see it lifting. It's lifting. Get ready.
There it goes.
Coming our way.
Outstanding.
Coming our way. On the move.
Right here.